Hello, Pac-Manians. This is the test review. I have been working for literally a couple hours trying to make an electronic version of this to the best of my ability. But I'm going to go over this tonight anyway with you, or for you it'll be tomorrow, and go through it all. And if there's any changes or things that I couldn't do on the actual test, we'll go over that tomorrow on the Zoom. All right? So don't worry, we'll take care of everything. Everything's going to be fine. So let's just take a look. We've got the letters on the coordinate grid represent the locations of the first 4 holes on a golf course. Which of the following accurately describes the location of a hole? Mark all that apply. Remember, every time it says mark all that apply, it's probably generally going to be more than one, right? So let's just take a look at it. It says hole U is 4 units left and 4 units down from hole S. So where do I start is the question you got to ask yourself. Well, it says right here, from hole S at the end, even though it's at the end, it's my beginning of where I start, okay? So wherever it says from, so it says from hole U, from hole S, from hole F, and I start with that. So on the first one, it says hole U is 4 units left and 4 units down from hole S. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to hole S, which is right here. I'm gonna go 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 units down, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a big no. That's not gonna work. All right. From hole U, I'm gonna go 1 unit to the right and 7 units down. So hole U, 1 unit to the right, 1, and then 7 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Booyah. That's one we want. It's that easy, guys. You just gotta know where do I start and then go left and right and up and down. No problem. Hole T, 2 units to the left and 4 units up from hole S. Well, here's S. That's where I'm gonna start. It says 2 units left. 1, 2, and 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, there's T. So that's one we want. And then I'm going to start at hole F. How many of you think that this one's going to be a no? Probably, but let's see. From hole F, which is right here, it says go 3 units left. 1, 2, 3. And then it says go 5 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which lands right here, which is nothing. So that's a no. That's all you gotta do on those ones. Just follow it, right? And just know where to start. Whichever one says from is where I start. All right. You don't have to do this one. That's one of those crazy ones where you have to add it all up and all that and plot it. I don't even know if I can do that electronically, so we'll see. Let's take a look here at number 3. For 6 days in a row, Julia measured the depth of snow in a shaded area of her backyard. The line graph shows her data. Okay, so between which 2 days did the depth of the snow decrease the most? Decrease is going down. Increase is going up. So I got to look for where the graph is going down for an increase. All right? So this is all increase here. Here where it's flat, remember flat means no change. So if it says where it changes the least, that's where the graph is flat. You say it. Where it's flat, it changes the least. Where it's steep, it changes the most. Think about the mountain. When do I change the elevation the quickest? The steepest part of the mountain. When do I not gain a lot of elevation? When I'm walking on flat land, all right? So where does it decrease the most? Well, I gotta look for where it's the sharpest drop off. And it's going every unit over 1. So this is down 1.5 and over 1. This is down 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So, or 1, 2.5 and over 1. So it's a much steeper curve. And if you look at it, you can put your finger over it and look at it. But this is so much steeper than the rest. So this is between days 5 and 6. Okay, where the snow decreased the most. Here it went down 1.5 over 1, and here it went down 2.5. So it went down much greater. So just look. If it goes 1 square over, how steep is it? Steepness is big time change. All right, let's go on to the next page.